Hold on. Okay. Hi everyone. Me and my dog are gonna be doing the challenge called Tug of War Challenge with one of his Tug of War toys. I can't even speak. Okay. My phone's on a charger. Don't mind the cords if you can even see. And the fan must be moved. Alright, Montana, come on. Ready? Go! Come on. You have to win 3 times in a row. Ready? And come on. He's on the bed. Yeah. Ah! He gets 1 point. I got 0. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay. Ready? And here. To win, must win. I get a point. He has 2 points. He got it out earlier. 2 points for him, 1 point for me. If he wins the last point, then he wins. If he doesn't win the last point, I win, even though I'm supposed to get 3. I want the last point. I do. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna win. Oh, yes I am. Yes I am. Yes I am. Yes. I'm tired. Yes, I am. Ow, my hair. That's it. Someone has to end this. So I'm going to be doing my cool, hard pulls. Ready? Scoop out. Again. I win. We're gonna do one more round, I guess. Stop. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Ready? Go. You little cheater. I still have it, everybody. I got it. My hair is out of order. Hi! Well, this ends now. Give up already. Give up. You're going on YouTube. This is mine. I'm supposed to win. I'm Cinderella. Hi! That's it. You leave me no choice. Ready? Scoot back. Scoot back. Yes! I win! I got thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe on my videos. Leave a link down below. If you don't even know what that means, then that means leave a comment down below. Yeah, thanks, bye.